Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project. Building your very own mini vacuum cleaner. It's perfect for cleaning up small messes, like paper scraps or dust from your keyboard. And the best part? It's super easy to make using common household items. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need a plastic bottle any size will do, but a smaller one makes for a more compact vacuum. A small DC motor, like the ones found in toy cars, is essential. You'll also need a fan blade, which you can find in old electronics or purchase online. A 9-volt battery and a battery connector will provide the power, and you'll also need some tape or glue for assembly. Now, let's prepare the plastic bottle. Carefully cut the bottom off the bottle. This will be where the suction happens. Next, make a hole in the bottle cap. This hole needs to be big enough to fit the shaft of your DC motor. If the hole is too small, you can use a drill or a sharp knife to enlarge it. Next, attach the fan blade to the motor shaft. Make sure it's securely fastened. Now, insert the motor through the hole in the bottle cap. The fan blade should be inside the bottle, and the motor itself should be outside. Secure the motor to the cap using tape or glue. Be careful not to block the fan blade's rotation. Now, let's create a filter. This is important to prevent dust and debris from entering the motor and damaging it. You can use a small piece of sponge, a coffee filter, or even a piece of fabric. Cut the filter material to a size that will fit snugly inside the bottle, just below the motor and fan blade. You can secure it with tape if necessary. It's time to assemble the battery and the motor. Connect the battery connector to the 9-volt battery. Then, connect the wires from the motor to the battery connector. Make sure the connections are secure to ensure a good flow of power. If your motor doesn't start, double-check your connections. Once everything is connected, it's time for a test run. Turn on your mini vacuum cleaner, and you should hear the fan spinning. Place the open end of the bottle near some small debris, such as paper scraps or dust. You should see the vacuum start to suck up the mess. If the suction isn't strong enough, check that your motor is working correctly, that the fan blade is positioned correctly, and that your filter isn't blocking the airflow too much. Congratulations! You've built your own mini vacuum cleaner. It's a simple, fun, and practical project that you can easily adapt. For example, you can experiment with different bottle sizes, fan blade types, and filter materials to see what works best. Remember to always supervise children when they are using this vacuum, and use it only for small, dry debris. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more DIY projects and tech tutorials. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends. And as always, stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.